A man accused of murdering a UGA professor will go to trial. Prosecutors say it's one of the strangest cases they have ever worked. A Baldwin County judge ruled there is enough evidence against Marcus Lillard, who intends to plead not guilty in court. In May, his girlfriend, UGA entomology professor Marianne Shockley, was found naked and dead inside a hot tub. The cause of the death was ruled manual strangulation. Lillard is charged with concealing the death of another person, aggravated assault, and murder. Here's the bizarre part. While police were there, officers say the homeowner, Clark Handel, who called 911 and even helped perform CPR on Shockley, shot and killed himself inside his own bathroom.